There's one thing on this Alto that really lets the interior down. So let's do something about that. It's this steering wheel. This car has got 157,000 kilometers on it, and this is the only area of the interior that really shows that. Everything else is in really good nick. But as you can see, it's completely coming away, particularly around this perforated leather area. There's a few different ways I could tackle this. The first option is the one I thought I was going to take, which is to basically sand all that down, and you can reapply a kind of a new paint. But the problem with that is because of the perforated sections here on the side, they basically end up getting filled in and you lose all of that perforated design on the sides, and I'm not sure it would actually look uniform by the end of it. The second option is to bring it to an upholstery place or somewhere that's gonna put a brand new cover on it, cut all the leather off and make it from scratch. It's quite expensive, but obviously would look nice, and you can customize it if you wanted to as well. Option 3 is the one I ended up going for, which is to source a better quality, better condition used item from Japan and replace the existing wheel with that one. First step will be to take this wheel off, and as it is an airbag wheel, we will need to disconnect the battery first. I'm not going to lie, this was a bit of a pain in the arse. I struggled with this for a few minutes. Basically, there's 3 holes at the back of the steering wheel, and you need to put a screwdriver and kind of pop each side. So pop the first 2, and in theory you pop the bottom one when it comes out. The problem is when I tried to pop this one, it would just clip back in on the top. So anyway, there is no kind of special trick, it's just persistence. And you get the airbag out like this, just to show you where those screwdrivers are coming through. See how it comes through there? Likewise, it's coming through there, kind of at a 45-degree angle. The one on the bottom is more kind of straight up and down. It comes up there. And basically it's pushing on these tabs here. Hold on. You can see where a bit of scratching where I was pushing on it, but it pushes on these 3 tabs there. Now I should be able to disconnect this. There's 2 cables at the back of the airbag here. There's this one which I assume is for the horn. It's just a ground. Well, actually, I'm not sure if it's a ground, but... And then this one here is just a regular airbag one. What you do is you put a screwdriver in, you pry this up till it pops up like that. Now, you just pull it straight out. Very simple. Next up is this 17mm nut. I'm going to use one of these impact wrenches. Make the job easy. Nut is now loose. The workshop manual shows a special tool which goes across here, and it's like a puller. But I'm just going to try the old-fashioned way. Leave the nut on nice and loose, and then just wiggle this back and forth and see if we can get it loosened off the spline. Yep, that didn't take much effort, and it's all good to go. Make sure your steering wheel is straight, which it is. Okay, some more cables. This connector here. Alrighty. And just to show the old and new wheels, this is the old one, nice and shiny all the way around, totally worn. This is the new one. Now this is a used wheel, but it looks brand new. It has that matte finish. As I was saying on the live stream, I think probably this is out of a car that had a steering wheel cover, because over here there is a kind of a shiny bit where maybe the cover wasn't covering properly or fully, but everything else looks absolutely immaculate. You can see what I mean here about the perforated leather. Totally worn away here. So another item is the buttons themselves are kind of, you know, the print is worn down on them, where these look brand new. So very happy with this purchase. Again, it was Garage K to help me out with this, so thanks Dave. Okay, new wheel is back on. The torque spec for this nut is 33 Newton meters. So not that tight. Connector's back on and ready to be pushed back in. Nice. So this one was just a quick video to give the interior a little lift. Slán!